And GTO today, and we're down here working in the shop. We got the 59 truck bed ready to epoxy. Ross is in there getting his truck bed ready. So we're using the main part of the garage to paint in today. Oh yeah, got him rocking and rolling. Got Ross over there busy on his new bed panels. Smile for the camera for a second, Ross. Working your ass off. This is Kyle and Colton. This is Rebecca's son. We're going to see if we can get this truck bed epoxy today. Ross and Kyle's going to do some shooting. We get the bed liner on, then I'll get the bed epoxy, and then we'll get the bed liner put in it. Get this thing ready to go on the truck. Y'all enjoy the video and see you on YouTube.